Hi, my name is Al Miller. I'm from Kelowna. This is the third time I've been out with Sam fishing, and we've enjoyed it, and I have always caught the biggest fish. So we're going to give her a whirl today again. Thanks, Sam, for having us on board.
My name is Ken Bottomley. This is my second trip with Sam, and really enjoying it. And hope we get lots of fish today again.
So how big's your fish here?
Oh, I think it's about 10, 12 pounds. Keeper?
Yeah. Alright, here's Al holding up his fish that he just got. So Al, that only
day so far.
Yeah. So Al, that took about 10 minutes to get that guy in, I guess.
Yeah, it was about 10 minutes. He's a good one. He's a keeper. He's a keeper.
So how big do you think this one is?
It's hard to tell.
Not too sure.
I don't think it's big. I don't think it's real big.
Maybe a coho?
Yeah.
Fishing paradise.
Got a double header on here. Al's
2 for 2.
reeling in his fish. And over here, Ken's working hard away on his fish.
There he is. Have a peek.
I think Al's got a coho here. Let's see what.
Take a run. Take a run if you want.
Ken's got another coho as well. So Ken, what you got now?
Hey, what do you got?
Jesus.
Hey, Ken, I bet
Is
you.
he on the bloody pond?
Okay, there we go.
Al's reeling in another one. Ken,
Come on, Ken.
put on that fish face.
Show me your stuff, Ken. 5-pounder?
It's another coho. Oh, it's a nice schnook. Come on, Ken.
Come on, Ken.
Put on that fish face. Nice fish. Nice fish, Ken.
Yeah.
Biggest one ever for me.
Get his head up.
Alright, guys.
Good day of fishing?
Yeah.
Good company? Yeah, that's good. That big one's mine.
It's funny, the big one's always yours.
We got a little guy in here that we haven't even brought out yet, but you could have that one.
Yeah.
I'll take that one. Anyway, it was a great day of fishing.
Good.
Super good.
Yeah.
Always is. It's now 5:15 in the morning, day 2, and all the shuttle boats are heading out, and we're going to head out to a wonderful day of fishing. Sam just said there a few minutes ago that today's going to be a good day, as always. So we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, we had a good day yesterday, and hopefully we'll do the same today.
But I got to get the biggest fish and get my money back from this guy. He got the biggest one yesterday.
Alright.
Good supper too, by the way. Oh, thank you so much.
That was a good supper. Yeah.
That was super
Really
good. Thank you very much. The halibut, every salmon was super good. 3 different sauces. That was great. Yeah.
Here's Al reeling in his big hog.
In a minute. He's just going to take one look at that boat, he's going to be gone.
So Al, how's the fishing this morning?
Oh, wonderful.
How many fish?
8:30 in the morning, we've got over 20 fish. Threw them all back because Sam says we're going to get bigger ones. He's going under the boat. This is the one we've been waiting for, Sam.
No, it's
Well, we're gonna catch them even bigger too.
Good.
It's a monster coho.
Isn't it huge?
Don't go away.
So here's Ken reeling in a fish over here. And here's Al reeling in a fish over here.
1 minute apart.
They say they're gonna have to quit pretty soon because their arms are sore.
Oh no. I hope this is a halibut because I've never caught one before in my life.
That's big halibut. The size of the halibut. My God.
Al's got another good one on here.
Don't bring it up anymore.
Where's my boys? Right now, they can see the, what is that? What kind is this?
Fishing it.
Oh, that's a good fish. That's over 30.
Oh, this is,
over there, Ken.
this is for our, I don't know, what is it, 5th doubleheader of the day?
Yeah. 40 fish later.
Okay, we've been a little too busy for video here because we've been getting fish left and right. Al's got another nice one on here. Poor Ken hasn't had much action today because Al's rod has been just going off like crazy. And Ken's line is breaking, which is not normal for a line, but
I think Al's cutting it or something.
I think Al is cutting it. He's jealous.
I cut too many heads today, so he's cutting one. Gee, that's a big one.
What is he?
So here's Al after his fish. We wanted to get more of these, but
The winner.
we just had lots of busy action, lots of fish on the bleeder line.
What do you have to do to turn
This is the last fish of the day we get to
Which one?
enjoy before we go in. So Al, what do you think of your fish?
Oh, I love it. Best time ever. Beautiful fish. Oh, super great. Just super. The whole day's been great. The whole trip's been great.
So this is day 2. It's been a great day out in the water. There's been lots of fish caught. We couldn't get all the fish in the pictures because we were too busy running around pulling up fish, and Al seemed to reel most of them in because Ken's line kept breaking. But anyways, we got a full tub now. The cooler is stacked full of halibut, chinook, and coho. So what do you think of the fish in there, Ken?
Oh, it's great. We got the 3 halibut today, and that kind of made the day for Al and I because we've never caught a halibut before.
And I outfished him, and I won the money today. He's got to pay me. So I won the money, and I had a very nice compliment paid to me today by Sam that said that I should fish more often because I love it so much, and I really do love it. You know, I do. And that, fishing out here is just great with Sam. We go and catch fish with Sam. Great day, super.
Here's all our salmon and halibut stacked full. This is 150 liter coolers, so there's a lot of fish in here. What a great day fishing.
What a great day of fishing, yeah. It's absolutely super. These are a few of the ones we caught. Another shipment in freezing right now, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the end of day 2.
End
Yeah,
of day
end
2.
of day 2.